Uh, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We have new topic today. New topic is our new topic is logarithmic function. We will discuss uses of logarithmic function, laws, rules of logarithmic function, and definition of logarithmic function, and how we can draw graph of logarithmic function. Actually, logarithmic function is the inverse of exponential function. Exponential function and logarithmic function are inverse of each other. Like what? For example, if we write 2 power x equal to 8, this means that how many times we multiply 2 with itself equals what? 8. So if we write, for example, 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 equal to what? 8, it means x is equal to 3. So we can write 2 power x is equal to, 2 power 3 is equal to what? 2 power 3 is 8. So how we can write this in the form of log? We can write in the form of log is log of 8 at the base of 2 equal to what? 3. This means that how many times we multiply 2 with itself equals what? Equal 8. So we can multiply 2 with itself 3 times equal 8. Or for example, 2 power x is equal to what? 32. Or 2 power 5 equal to what? 32. So we can write in the form of what? Log. Log of 32 at the base of what? At the base of 2 equal to what? 5. Correct? So these are inverse of each other. You can see y is equal to what? Y is equal to b power x, where b is also, always this is a positive number, and this must be greater than 1. Greater than 0, okay, not equal to 1. So we use two type of log. One is called common log, and second one is natural log. Actually, common log (log) always base of logarithmic, common log is 10, and second one is natural log, where we use ln, correct, natural log, and always the base is e, where you know that e is Euler number. The value of Euler number is 2.71. So when we write log of 1000, so this means that always for log we have what? We have base 10. Okay, when we write, for example, log of, let's suppose, x plus 1, so then this means that always we have what? Base of ln natural log is e. Correct? Okay. So two types. One is common log, second one is natural log. Common log base is always 10, and natural log base is e. Okay, how to find domain and range of logarithmic function is we discussed in previous slide that log and exponential function are inverse of each other. Log and exponential function, these are inverse of each other. So you can see this one is inverse exponential function. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to b power x, where b is greater than 0 but not equal to 1. Correct? So what is the domain of exponential function? In the domain of exponential function, we explained this one in previous lecture. The domain is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Range is from 0 to infinity. So if a logarithmic function is inverse of that, so log inverse of exponential function. So you know that inverse function, domain of one equal to range of other, and range of one equal to domain of first. So for logarithmic function, what will be the domain and what will be the range? Sorry, range. So domain function for exponential function minus infinity to plus infinity. So domain will be equal to range of logarithmic function from minus infinity to plus infinity. What about domain? Domain you can see equal to range from 0 to infinity plus infinity. So domain and range. Domain, yeah, range of exponential function equal to domain, and domain of exponential function equal to what? Range of logarithmic function, inverse of each other. So how we can draw graph? So if we draw a graph of exponential function, and I told you that always exponential function, like we have y equal to b power x. When you put x is equal to what? 0. So what is the y value? Y value will be equal. It means that this graph will pass from 0 and 1. Okay, so giving values like plus value or minus value you can give, but always you receive positive values, not negative values. This one is the graph of exponential function. So if logarithmic function is the inverse of that one, so we can write y is equal to what? We can write, yeah, we can write uh, log of what? How we can write? Okay, we have y is equal to what? Y is equal to b power x. So how we can write in the log form? So we can write log of y at the rate of, yeah, at the base of b equal to what? X. So when you draw the graph, so it will be on opposite side because this one is inverse. Domain of one equal to what? Range of another, and range of one equal to the domain of another. So these are function, logarithmic function graphing. So how you can graph? Some properties of natural logarithm, properties of natural log. First property, that natural log of 1 equal to what? 0. Log of 1 equal to what? 0. Same, we have, for example, log of e. This means that also we have base e here, correct? So this one equal to what? This one equal to 1, correct? If we have, for example, log of e, base is also e, and we have, let's suppose, 2. So then we can write this 2 and coefficient. Then we have log of e, base e, and coefficient we have 2. So this one equal to what? Equal to 2. Correct? These are the properties. You need to check these properties. Properties of natural log. So these four properties. Correct? Okay. Fourth property, you can see when log of x equal to what? Log of y. This means that both cases base is e. So you can cancel these two, and we have only xy is equal to what? X is equal to y. Same, we have different properties for logarithm common log. First property multiplication one, second one is the second rule or property is for division, quotient, third one is for power. Okay, same we have more properties. Okay, let me try to solve one property from each one. For example, first one is product rule. Product rule means this one, that for example, when we have log of two number, like we have 2x multiply with what? Let's suppose with x square. So let's suppose first one is a, second one is b. So log rule is, so take log of, for example, separately one and second one separately, like log of 2x first plus then we have log of second one. We have what? X square. Like this one, you can see log of base 3, 30x multiply with 3x plus 4. So for example, this one is m, second one is n. So how you can write? First of all, you can write log of this 3 equal to what? Yeah, log of 30x at the base of 3. Second one, we have log of 30x plus 4 at the base of what? At the base of 3. Again, this one is two number, 30x, 30 multiply with x. So if you take 31, yeah, a, and x is b. So you can write separately log of 30 plus log of x. Next one, we have 30x plus 4. So this one is 30x plus 4. So this was rule number first. Uh, what is rule number first? You can say product rule. For example, again, I will try to solve one question. For example, if we have log of xy, base may be anything, 2, 3, 10 possible. So we have two numbers. So we can write separately log of x plus you can write log of y separately. Correct? Okay, now second rule uh, is second rule is you can say quotient rule. This one is our rule. Sorry, first one I will solve this quotient rule for subtraction. Uh, we have what we have for example in division form, fraction form like log of two number, log of we have 2x plus y. These are division, so we can write separately log of 2x first one, then minus for division log of what log of y. Like this one, you can see this example. Log of 2x square plus 6 numerator and denominator is 3x plus 9. First of all, I want to factorize if possible. Like we can write log of 2x square plus 6x. If we take 2x common from numerator, so we have only x plus 3 divided by what? Divided by we have 3x plus 9. So we can write like log of 2x and we have x plus 3 divided by what? Divided by we have 3x plus 9. We can take 3 common from denominator, yeah, denominator plus 3. So x plus 3 cancel with x plus 3. We have only left with 3x divided by what? 3. Log of 2x divided by 3. So now division comes. So separately I can write log of 2x first, then log of 3. Correct? Same, we have power rule. For example, power rule means when we have like log of, for example, x square. So according to log rule, you can write power in the form of what? And coefficient. It means you can change coefficient to power and power can be changed to, yeah, 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 replaced to the what? Coefficient. So I can write this one log of x square. I can write in the form of 2 log of x. Again, I can transfer this one to power and I can write log of x square. Correct? For example, we have this function. So how I can write? I can write log of 25 at the base of what? At the base of 3. So I can write like log of this 3 25. I can write 25 in the form of 5 square. So you can transfer this one to coefficient. So 2 into log of 3 log of 5 at the base of 3. Okay, this one is also from coefficient and also from second and third rule. Like we have what? We have log of these two. We have log of x square divided by y cube and base is 2. Okay, I don't want to write base. So how you can write? We can write log of first one x square because in coefficient form, sorry, quotient form or division form. So second one we have log of y cube. Correct? So now I can transfer this one to coefficient. So 2 into log of x minus 3 into log of y. Okay, how to solve this equation? We don't know the value of x. Okay, you know that main function of log is log of y, correct? At the base of b equal to what? At the base of b equal to x. And we know, for example, from the exponential function that y is equal to what? B power x. So you will always receive y value positive and this b is also positive. So this means that this y is positive, this must be greater than 0. this must be greater than 0. So sorry, I want to solve the x video. So no need of this is not for dominant range. So how to solve this one? We have log of 3 9x plus 2 equal to what? 4. So how we can write in the form of exponential function? Yeah, in exponent form. So we can write like this one: 3 power x equal to what? 9x plus 2. 3 power x is equal to 9. 3 power x, 3 power 4, sorry, 3 power 4 is equal to, because we have x4 here. So 3 power 4 is equal to 9x plus 2. Or how we can write 3 power 4? 3 power 4, I think we can write 81. Yes, 81. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So we can write 81. So this side is 81 9x plus 2. So when you transfer 81 minus 2 equal to what? 9x. Okay, 81 minus 2 is equal to 79, and 79 equal to 9x. So if you divide both sides by 9, x is equal to what? X is equal to 79 divided by 9. Divided by 9 equal to 8.7. 8 means x value is 8.7. Okay, how we can write this one? So we have log of 4, log of 2x plus 1 base 4 equal to log of x plus 2 base is 4, log of 4, log of 3 is the base of 4. So you can see here, this one is in subtraction form. We have minus here. This means this formula is quotient rule, because when we have log of m divided by n, so we can write like log of m minus log of n. So we can write log of 2x plus 1 base is 4 equal to, how we can write? We can write like log of base 4. So we can write x plus 2 divided by what? 3. This one. Now you can see here, we have log of 4 base 4. This side we have log of base 4. So you can cancel these. So 2x plus 1 is equal to what? X plus 2 divided by 3. So now you can solve this one to find the value of x. 3 multiply with this side. So 6x plus 3, and we have x plus 2. So if you transfer x to other side, we have 6x minus x. This side we have 2, and you transfer 3 to this side, become minus 3. It means 5x equal to minus 1 if you divide both sides by 5. So what is the result? Result of x, x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 1 over 5. Actually, we discussed this problem, compound interest problem in exponential function. Okay, now when time is not given, so how to find time value? First of all, write down what is given data in this question. Data given equal to, if you deposit 5,000, it means principal amount is equal to 5,000. In account paying 6% annual interest, it means rate is equal to 6%. 6% means 0.06. Compounded continuously, this is continuous formula. How long it will take until there is, how much there is 8,000 in the account? We don't know about time, and given that amount reached to what? 8,000, it means A is equal to what? 8,000. This was actually future value of amount. So we have formula A equal to what? A is equal to T e power RT. We have 8,000. A is equal to 8,000. Principal amount is equal to what? 5,000. e power rt, where r is 0.06, multiply with what? Time. We don't know about time. So first of all, if you divide both sides by 5,000, so these two cancel. We have 8,000 divided by 5. So 8,000 divided by 5 equal to what? 1.6. So we have 1.6 equal to e power 0.06 multiply with t. So how to find t? So there is only one thing that can deal with the power exponent, that is logarithmic function. If you take log on this side, so log of 1.6, and we have log of sorry, we have e here, so you can take natural log here. Okay, you can take both, but we have here, so log natural log will be easy. So if we take uh, ln of 1.6 equal to ln of uh, we have e power 0.06 into t. So with the help of, we have one rule for log, so you can transfer power to coefficient. So what will be the result? Actually, we have log of 1.6. So find out log of 1.6. What will be ln 1 of 6? Okay, ln 1.6 equal to 0.47. So we have 0.47 equal to, we can write next side, this side, in the form of what? 0.06 t into log of e, ln e. And from property we know that log ln e is equal to what? 1. So we have 0.47 equal to what? 0.06 multiply with t. So if you divide both sides by 0.06, this side 0.06. So what is the value of t? So t value equal to what? 0.47 divided by 0.06 equal to 7.8. So time is 7.8 years. Okay, population growth application. So how we can add, for example, population unfriend has relative growth rate of what? Rate is given, that 3%. Estimated date population is 6,500. Okay, this is actually original population. And what is the rate? Rate is 3%. So find a function that model the population t years from now. So we have population model. You can write p is equal to what? P naught original e power rt. This one is the population formula. You can write like e is equal to what? A naught e power rt or kt. So we are given original population. So what is model? Model is equal to, we have 6,500 e power rt. We have 3%, so 0.03 multiply with time. So this is the answer for option number A. What is for option number B? Use the function to estimate the population in evac population in 8 years. It means time is given. So when time is given, you can find population is equal to what? 6,500 e power 0.03 multiply with what? Multiply with 8 years. So write down 8. So how you can solve? First of all, 0.03 multiply with 8. We have 6,500 e power 0.03 multiply with 8. 0.24. 0.24. So what is the value of e power 0.24? So first of all, we have e power 0.24 equal to what? This one equal to, we have 6,500 multiply with 1.27. So when you multiply 1.27 with 6,500, result is 82,000, 8,200, 8,255. The result of a population after 8 years. What is that? You can sketch the graph. So giving values, you can sketch the graph.